Imithetho yokuqindeliswa kwamakhambo ngebanga lokusahlelwa kwe-COVID-19 nokukhuphuka kwesibalo sabathelelekileko kubangele ukuthi sidlule ku-1.2 miliyoni isibalo sabatjhayeli abaphethe amalayisensi wokushayela adlulelwe isikhathi kodwana bangakhoni ukwavuselela. Ngikho lokho kwenza ukuthi umnyango wezokuthutha ungezelela isikhathi sembawo bekube ngoNtaka womnyaka ozako.
All learners licenses, driving license cards, temporary driving licenses and professional driving permits that expire during the period that commence from the 26 March 2020 up to and including 31st August 2021 are deemed to be valid, and their validity periods are extended for a further grace period ending on 31st March 2022.
Mbalula uthi kunentshijilo ezibakatelele ukuthi bagcine bangezelela isikhathi.
Capacity challenges which put tremendous pressure on DLTCs in processing renewals of driving licenses. Corruption of officials entrusted with the system, where online back booking is used, who block, book, and sell this to those prepared to pay bribes.
Ngqongqotjhe uthi kusukela ngoSewula amaziko amabili alawula i-RTMC eMidrand neCenturion sekazokuvulwa amalanga alikhomba kusukela nge-hour lekhomba ekuseni bekube ngelethoba ebusuku. Ihlangano ye-Organization and Doing Tax Abuse i-outa ngorhunyeziweko kade igandelela ukuthi kungezelelwe isikhathi ngombana nasingangezelelwako abatjhayeli bazokugcina baphula umthetho.
The problem is that if we don't fix the underlying causes and the problems related to the online booking system, the corruption, the testing center inefficiencies, then we'll just have the same problem next year. So this is a welcome relief, but they need to deal with the real issues.
We are naturally happy that many of the solutions we have been proposing for some time have been considered. Among these is the establishment of more DLTCs, the introduction of mobile centres and kiosks at busy centres, extended operating hours of the DLTCs, the ability of DLTCs to accept online payments, and the submission of eye tests by optometrists directly to NATIS.
Kuzokuvulwa amanye amaziko amabili wabomakhamba ngendlwana i-RTMC nayiqeda ukutloliswa ngaphasi kwerhelo lamaziko wamalayisensi wokushayela.